Hello the Heistmasters. In today's video we are going to raise this $1 to $1,000. Yeah. So everything from how we started, this is internal transfer. Remember how I deposit these dollars? Yeah. But if you want to know how we prepared this, make sure you watch first this YouTube video, and the full video is going to be YouTube at Heistfxacademy, a step-by-step guide, so be sure to follow. One trade. Hey!
I'ma do shit my way.
One shot.
So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Haste. And so they call me Dinox Tunji Khalifa, Tamaramara, Govi Kashia, Meko Junior Panditing, Chief Inspector Brown. Haste! Master baby. So I woke up very early in the morning, and this is 7:40 in the morning. So we have a setup here, yeah? So my people, what can you see? I usually trade using a support and resistance, demand and supply, amongst other things. So the haste masters, yeah? I want you to learn something from this trade, because you're about to know, yeah? So Mr. Badesta Global. So we have our support here, and our target is those highs there, yeah? Remember, I have a strong resistance at the middle of my take profit, yeah? So that is a number one red flag, yeah? But because I've just woken up, I have that urge to take a trade, my first trade, yeah? In this $1 to 1,000 trade. So I have to take it, yeah. Yeah, because I don't have time, yeah. So we have just taken the first trade, and we'll be learning more. I told you I'm going to give you a step-by-step analysis. I'm not going to edit. I'm not going to leave any juice or any stone untouched, my people, yeah. So after some time, we had broken above that resistance there. So a breakout, a small retest, and then a trend continuation, yeah. So after we had reached that my resistance ceiling there, now because there was bullish power in the market, so I added another position only for the price to give me reversal signals, yeah, because yeah, it will continue, yeah. But then, oh my god, now our first trade was now reversing against us with a margin call, yeah. So what was wrong here, yeah? So I had not identified certain thing here, yeah. Now we had a trend line liquidity here that I had not analyzed before, yeah. You can see we are in an area of a strong resistance up there, and we have a trend line liquidity, yeah. So the market is going to break that trend line liquidity and continue towards downward, because we are already in our resistance ceiling area. So price is supposed to bounce from that area all the way downwards, yeah. So we do now a fresh deposit and now start this thing properly. Okay, so the 7 a.m. trade was a market warm up. Now it is 10:09, yeah. I went to sleep, yeah. And now come with one trade, one shot. Hey, strategy now to kill the market properly, yeah. Now you can see we have an area of resistance here, and this market, after breaking our trend line in 7 a.m. in the morning, yeah, so we had bearish power kicking in, yeah, and this market is being attracted to that area there, yeah. And then to gold, I have analyzed, and I have my support and resistance area there, which I'm seeing price reacting off from that area there, yeah. Now we are going to take this to our advantage, and then enter with a small buy, because this is gold and we only have $1.06 in our account, yeah. But then you can see from the 1 hour, after a breakout of that zone, a retest, and then a trend continuation, yeah. So I'm going to trade that style in many other ways in this video, yeah. So after entering that, after the market has gave us a powerful, from the 1 minute and the 5 minutes, we had confirmation that now this price had been accumulating there for long, and now the bullish power is kicking in. Now I had to enter there with a sniper entries now at $3. Man, our bird is global, yeah. So let us now go back to GBP USD straight and take some buy here, yeah, because after an impulsive move in the market, we always expect a what? A retest or a pullback, yeah. So we have had a impulsive bearish power, and we expect a smaller pullback so that we can fill on the fair value gap or all the imbalances that the market had left behind before a trend continuation, yeah. And in other terms, that is a breakout and a retest of that trend line, yeah. So we are not going to hold for long because we have learned from our 7 a.m. mistake. We are not going to enter the market without 3 or more confirmations because we had to learn through the hard way. So now we are in $4 there, my people, yeah? $4.99. So now we are looking for another opportunity, and I think we have a better opportunity in gold because we have seen gold is still reacting in our area of interest, and this buying momentum is not yet over. Remember, our target is in that highs there, yeah? My take profit always is marked by those highs there, by that red line that I usually put to guide me where I'm expecting this price to push to, yeah. But I'm going to quickly scalp in and out because this is a small account. I'm going in full margin so that I can avoid those small pullbacks back to retest that area and then trend continuation, because I can easily blow if this market reverses against me. My people, are we together in this? Yeah. So today I've taken my time to explain to you everything step by step and show you the mistakes that you should avoid in order not to lose your money in the forex market. Are we together in this? Now you can see from the 5 minute here, you have seen how we have had a lot of rejections from that area there, confirming to us we have bullish power kicking in. So we are going to take that to our advantage, full margin there, and this is gold. Now, a mini lot in gold means a lot, and you can make quick money in gold, and you can as well lose a lot of money in gold in a second. Yeah. Now I think we are up in $7. Now we are going to close at $12, $13 there, yeah. Moving on swiftly here. Now, yeah, we are not going to repeat the same mistake in the 7 a.m. trade that we had, yeah. Now that is the importance of learning from your mistake. You're going to wait until you get 3 or more confirmations in the market before taking a trade. Now in $13. Moving on swiftly, now we have another entry here on USD, GBP USD, and now we are going to take a sell. Yeah. Now the pullback after that impulsive move is now over, and now it is time for us to still continue flipping this account 1000 with this trade. Yeah. Now remember, I told you this market is being attracted to this where we have drawn that our resistance line there. Yeah. Now after that pullback was over, now we had bullish bearish power kicking in, and we took that to our advantage and flipped that from 13 to 21. Are we together in that? Yeah. Now hope we are in the same boat. Yeah. So we quickly close and then now open again with more positions. Yeah. Now that is called you close so that you can build the account to accumulate most of these orders. Yeah. Now because you can see clearly we still have this bearish power in this market. Yeah, we don't have any reason whatsoever as to why we should not take this money. Yeah, so I closed before that pullback there, and now after it was over, now I had now to enter again after a confirmation from that a small wick from the previous candle. Now to now to what? Now the market is pushing to our area of interest. Now to that what? It is taking long to close at 33.01. Monobar is the level, yeah. Now from here, where are we going to? Gold straight, yeah. So I've gotten another sniper entry in gold here, and now we are going to enter with a 0.02 lot because now our account is built up, yeah. Now after we had bought initially, now the market came back to retest that zone, and now after that I've seen the bullish power kicking in from the lower time frames. Now we utilize that short scalps here. We open in full margin and then we close as quick as possible because you can identify that bullish power kicking in. Remember, this gold has not yet reached our area of interest. Yeah. Now we are going to take that to our advantage as this price is rejecting that area and pushing on strongly, and take this buys here. Yeah, now from $33 we went to 48, now to 66, and now to almost 100, now to $100. And now that is the first phase. Now the hardest part was trading this account from 1 to 100. Man, our bird is global. Yeah. And now this is the history before we continue with the charts. Yeah, now this is the first day of trading. We have gotten that from $1 to 100. Yeah, so before we get to day 2 and continue flipping this $1 from now 100 to 1000, let us continue doing analysis here. Yeah, because now after leaving this market here, it continued. Yeah, so I left this market at this place here, and this market, I said, was going to be attracted to this our area there. Yeah, now after coming to that area, it went all to our resistance ceiling, and now back to this area. And now because this market is rejecting all these areas here, so meaning price is not ready to go down. Yeah, and if we now zoom to the bigger time frames, we can see that clearly this market, after reacting from this our area of target there that I had drawn initially, yeah, we can see from the bigger time frames this market is pushing up all the way to my resistant ceiling there. Yeah, now meaning from tomorrow in the morning we'll take trades after the market has reached our resistance ceiling there. Yeah, now this is the following day in the morning. This is 7:30 in the morning. Yeah, so today I don't want to do the same mistake that I did in 7 a.m. yeah, previous day. Yeah, now we have seen the history, and now today trades no trade, and our account is at 101.99. Yeah, so after the yesterday's analysis, the market broke above that our small resistance there and pushed all the way we had seen from the bigger time frames to our resistant ceiling there. Yeah, now we are going we have not taken any trade for today because yesterday we closed at 100. Now today we want to continue from 100 to the moon. Man, our baddest level. Yeah, now this market price has gotten attracted to my resistance ceiling. I usually tell you my support and resistance ceiling in the market and my zones are usually respected by the market. Yeah, now after the market has gotten to that area there, you've seen it rejecting that area there and giving us a clear selling opportunities. Yeah, we are not going to waste time, and today we have a lot of confirmations than the yesterday's 7 a.m. trade, because we are clearly rejecting, and that is an area of a super support and resistance. Yeah, we are not going to trade against the trend, we are going to trade with the trend. Yeah, don't try to catch a falling knife or it will cut you very bad. Yeah, now in GBP USD, now you've seen this is a strong area, and the market is already giving us confirmation, and you can see how we have long wicks from that our resistance ceiling. Yeah, and now we have bearish power kicking in. Yeah, so without wasting much time, we are going to take here some sell orders so that we can continue building this account. Yeah, we first test the waters. Okay, let us risk management. How much are we going to make? How much are we going to collect? Remember, I've opened this with a 0.5 lot. Yeah, a 0.5 lot. It is a big lot for $100 account. Yeah, but using this, the best broker Mana Global with a leverage 1:3,000, you can open this. Yeah, so you cannot trade the way I usually trade with a small leverage. Yeah, so after testing the water and after now confirming this bearish power is truly correctly, yeah, and confirming that now I'm not making any mistake, now I had to open more positions. Yeah, and now after some time you can see clearly the market was rejecting that area, and now it is pushing towards our area of profitization area. Yeah. So yeah, now let us go to gold. Yeah, so yesterday we said gold was targeting those highs there. Yeah, now after gold has come to this our highs here, you've seen it clearly also giving us a rejection from that area. So if we were holding overnight until today, we could have hit our target profit in GBP USD and in gold as well, because our target area of gold take profit was being hit and the market is reacting off from that area, and our GBP USD came all the way to our resistance ceiling. Yeah, now that is the power that comes with the one trader one short Heistfxacademy strategy. Yeah, so everything that I usually trade is recorded in my Heistfx sniper guide. Yeah, and remember, I told you, as I promised, a promise is a debt, and I usually promise what I can deliver. If I can't deliver that, I'm not going to give you. Now, closing at $100 as I'm giving you stories. I said once you get me to 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to give you a 50% discount in my private mentorship. Are we together? Okay, let us continue. Yeah. Now gold. Now let us go to gold. Yeah. Now gold, after we have broken this our area here. Yeah? Remember I told you yesterday, after a breakout, we expect a retest. After an impulsive move in the market, we expect a pullback. Man, about this global. Yeah. So we are going to take that to our advantage and then enter there with some powerful sells. Yeah, because we have broken our area of target. Remember how yesterday we were targeting that area there where we had resistance before. Yeah, now after we had reached there, we had an impulsive move, and you've seen now the momentum is slowly dying there. Now we're going to take that to our advantage because we know for sure a pullback is to come, and I use that to our advantage and then collect a few dollars. Yeah, remember the hardest part is growing this account from the $1, the $10. Yeah, once you get to $50, the account will just fly all the way to the moon. Yeah, in using the power of the Heistfx sniper guide, or using these concepts that I've highlighted. Yeah, so I wanted to do all the trades that I've recorded in my Heistfx sniper guide, but unfortunately I never got all the trade opportunities. We were able only to take trades based on support and resistance and breakout, and using the trend lines. Yeah, so I never got any trade setup using the Bollinger Bands or any setup using divergency, and those are some of other strategies that have demonstrated in my Heistfx sniper guide, or the trading using patterns, the bearish wedges, the pennants, all those things. Yeah, so hopefully we'll do that in our next video, because my aim is to educate the Heist masters. Like, I'm not going to do anything which is not educational to the Heist masters. Yeah, for sure in our gold we expect a pullback, because the momentum, the bullish momentum that we had is slowly dying there, and after an impulsive move we always expect what, my people, a pullback or a small retest before a trend continuation. Yeah, and for sure what are we seeing there? It is happening, and now at $100, and now we are going to quickly close. Yeah, so at $100 now, our equity at $300. Yeah, okay, let us close at now $300.49. Yeah, now after that pullback is over, remember that is a small retest, but then the power of this market is bullish. Yeah, now after a breakout, a retest, and a trend continuation. Yeah, now you can see from the 5 minutes here, we have this after this was a breakout, a retest, and now we have seen from the lower time frame, from the 5 minutes. Let me just enter the market and then demonstrate it for you guys to see. Yeah, from the you must confirm from the primary drivers of the market so that you cannot get it wrong in the market. Yeah, we had a powerful breakout, a small retest. We traded that retest, but then I exited earlier because I know I'm trading against the trend. Yeah, you can see from this 5 minutes here, the market came to this area and it is rejecting that area there. Yeah? So I'm going to highlight it and put my support ceiling, my support flow at that level there. And you've seen how price has been rejecting that area, meaning this market momentum is not ready to break past that area, meaning we have now the bullish power ready to kick in. Yeah, and shortly after entering this trade, you can see the power coming in live. As we are talking, this power is coming in and we are up almost $100. Yeah, now we are going to quickly close, accumulate the account, and then I'll re-enter again with powerful what? With powerful loads and positions and orders. Yeah, now it is as simple as that. You quickly close, now open with big daddy loads. Yeah, we are going now to open a standard lot in gold. Yeah, and we are going to do like, Yeah, so that in our shortest move we can utilize that pull, that power in the market, because we expect a push, a great push in this market. Yeah, we are going to see if we can achieve that goal using this trade here. If this market pushes all the way to that area, now this challenge is over, is a done deal. Now the market is quite at that level there, but we have super confirmation that this market is not ready to go down. So that is why I usually enter with large positions at that area there. Everything is explained in my Heistfx sniper guide. So my package, my private mentorship package, comes with the Heistfx sniper guide, Google meetings, and all those things. And remember to sign into this broker. The link is always in my description. Make sure you watch the previous video. Now at $800. So we are quickly going to close, and then we have left with the $200 to finish this challenge. Now in the 5 minutes you can see we add another break of that resistance that would form there, a breakout, a small resistance, a breakout, a retest of that area, and now a trend continuation. So today we have talked most of this strategy, from the 7 a.m. trade to the gold one, and now to this 5 minutes again we have gotten that trade. We have broken the resistance at that level there, and we have used that resistance now as support. And then what afterwards? So we went low risk on this because we only wanted $200 to hit our take profit, our target profit now from $1 to 1,000.
One trade, what would you say? Hey, I'ma do shit my way. One shot. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Haste.
So if you know what is good for you, you better do it before the time is late, bro. Like, we just double that shit. As simple as that. That was a sniper entry. Let us jump to another opportunity. Still room to print more there. And I usually tell you, after breakout, we expect a retest. That is a sniper entry. You can utilize that to collect a few dollars. We had a breakout on gold. We utilize that and flip it and add additional $100. Like, I'm doing these things live. Go do the same. These things will help you, but me managing your account won't help you, bro. So I think you have doubled it $100. As simple as that, bro. And when you are trading a retest, don't hold for too long, because that is a retest. Confirm from the lower time frames when the retest is over and take a trade continuation trade. For a short scalp as well. And this is gold. It's highly volatile. You can make money in seconds. You can see from the 5 minute here, we have a resistance at that zone. So you're going to utilize that and find your sniper entries and collect $100. Like, it's simple as that. So in the trend continuation, you close, you accumulate, and open with more positions. So you're going to make a lot of profits. Now remember, the retest is over because you have confirmed from the lower time frames, and now the trend has continued. Now we again now close. So one more to go, $200, and the challenge is over. As simple as that. So you don't need to struggle in the market once you have the right skills and knowledge. So am I struggling? Like, guys. So as I said, in the 5 minutes, we have had a breakout and a retest. So what do you expect? A trend continuation. So we lower the risk because it's only $200, and we enter there with sniper entries. You've seen a powerful breakout and a super retest in that. Now use it as support and you enter there. Now it is as simple as that. Now it will always respect. Now I think the challenge is over. Bye bye, guys. Now we meet in May.